Hello, dear students. This is your social science class, and I am your teacher Shipra. Going to start chapter number 1, that is Understanding Diversity of Social and Political Life book. So, in this chapter, we are going to study a small story that is making friends. Then, the topic diversity in India, Ladakh, Kerala, and Ladakh, unity in diversity. Making friends. In the textbook is the example of two friends who, despite speaking different languages, still communicated with each other as it was important for them. So, this story is of two people where one of them was comfortable in Hindi and other was comfortable in English. But despite speaking different languages, they both communicated with each other because they want to talk to each other. It was important for them. They belong to different religions and cultural backgrounds as well. One of them belongs to the Hindu religion and another person belongs to the Muslim religion. Emphasize on the fact of diversity. Apart from these differences, it can be seen that while one attended school, the other had to sell newspapers. So both of them did not go to school, only one of them attended school and he knows the languages, but the other person he used to sell newspapers on the road. It is seen that some people may not have enough to eat or wear and sometimes not even a place to live. This is not just about difference, but it can be called as inequality. There are people who lack resources to survive also. But this is not the diversity or the difference. This is inequality. Inequality arises when a person does not have the resources and opportunities that are otherwise available to the other person. So, what is inequality? Inequality is a situation where one person does not have the resources or the opportunities that other person have. The caste system is another main example of inequality. Caste system is also a part of inequality only. It is one of the other parts of inequality or the forms of inequality. Our society is divided into different groups based on the work that people do, and they are supposed to remain in those groups only. For example, children of potters had to continue as potters only. So, what is this? This is a stereotype or the inequality. People or the society think that the child of potter will become the potter only. This was considered to be irreversible, and for this reason, it was not considered necessary for the people to know anything more than was required for their profession. इसीलिए ऐसा माना जाता है कि उनके लिए सिर्फ उतनी ही इंफॉर्मेशन या नॉलेज रिक्वायर्ड है जितनी उनको एक पॉटर बनने के लिए ज़रूरत है एंड दिस एनकरेज्ड इनइक्वालिटी. Second topic is diversity in India. India is a country of many diversities. We speak different languages, we had various types of foods, we celebrate different festivals, practice different religions, but actually if you think about it, अगर आप उसके बारे में सोचते हैं, we do many things that are similar except that we do them in different ways. ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो सिमिलर हैं हमारे और दूसरे के करने में, but the difference is the way we do. But the difference is the way we do that work. Let us just try to understand what we mean when we say that historical and geographical factors influence the diversity. कैसे जोग्राफिकल और हिस्टोरिकल फैक्टर्स किसी जगह की डाइवर्सिटी को इन्फ्लुएंस कर सकते हैं, किसी रीजन की डाइवर्सिटी को इन्फ्लुएंस कर सकते हैं. We can do this by reading about two different parts of the country, that is Kerala and Ladakh. Let us start with Ladakh. Ladakh is a desert in the mountains in the eastern part of Jammu and Kashmir. So Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir are the union territories now. Very little agriculture is possible here since this region is covered in snow for a large part of the year and receives very little rainfall. This area receives very little rainfall and also it is covered with snow throughout the year. That is why very little agriculture is possible here. People here keep sheep and goat. यहाँ पर लोग sheep और goat रखते हैं. And goats in this region are special because they produce pashmina wool. What Goats produce here pashmina wool, and the pashmina wool is sell to the traders from Kashmir. So the people in Ladakh, they sell pashmina wool to the traders from Kashmir से जो traders आते हैं उनको pashmina wool sell किया जाता है. Pashmina shawls are chiefly woven in Kashmir only. So pashmina shawls जो होते हैं they are very expensive and they are chiefly woven in Kashmir only. कश्मीर में ही उनको बुना जाता है. तिब्बत में बुद्धिज़्म कैसे पहुंचा? बुद्धिज़्म रीच्ड तिब्बत वाया लद्दाख. लद्दाख से ही तिब्बत में बुद्धिज़्म पहुंचा. बुद्धिज़्म इज़ ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द रिलीजन. इस्लाम वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन दिस रीजन मोर देन 400 ईयर्स अगो. 400 साल पहले यहाँ पर इस्लाम को इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया था. एंड देयर इज़ सिग्निफिकेंट मुस्लिम पॉपुलेशन है, और यहाँ पर बहुत सारी पॉपुलेशन मुस्लिम भी है. So the people here, they follow Buddhism also and they follow Islam also. Now let us read about Kerala. Kerala is a state. You all know that Kerala is a state and in the southwest corner of India, and it is surrounded by the sea, and the name of the sea is Arabian Sea. So it is surrounded by the Arabian Sea on one side and hills on the other side. दूसरी तरफ hills हैं. अ नंबर ऑफ स्पाइसेस, बहुत सारे मसाले यहाँ पर ग्रो किए जाते हैं हिल्स पर, सच एज पेपर, क्लोव्स एंड कार्डमम्स. Jewish and Arab traders were the first one to come here. Jewish और Arab traders यहाँ पर सबसे पहले आए थे. People in Kerala practice different religions. केरला के जो लोग हैं वो बहुत सारे डिफरेंट रिलीजन्स को फॉलो करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इस्लाम, क्रिश्चियनिटी, हिंदुइज्म, बुद्धिज़्म एक्सेट्रा. The fertile land and climate are suited to grow rice. Rice is a crop which requires a lot of water to grow. So the land is fertile and the climate is also suitable for growing rice here. Let us see what Kerala and Ladakh taught us. Kerala and Ladakh are quite different in terms of their geographical features, as one of them is in the north and other one is in the southwest corner. So they both have different geographical features. One is the dry place and another receives a very high rainfall. The history of both regions have seen similar cultural influences, but they have similar cultural influences. Both regions were influenced by Chinese and Arab traders. दोनों ही जगह को Chinese और Arab traders ने influence किया है. It was the geography of Kerala which allowed for the cultivation of spices, and the special geographical location of Ladakh and its wool drew traders to these regions. So because the geography of Kerala is so, that is the only reason they can grow spices there. And the special geographical location of Ladakh, it helps it to grow, or it helps to get the wool from there. With this topic, we will end our chapter, that is Unity in Diversity. India's diversity has always been recognized as a source of its strength. When the British ruled India, women and men from different cultural religions and regional backgrounds came together to oppose them. So it's always been like that only. People of our country, we people of the country India, we are diverse in many ways, but still we have unity. We should be like this only. I hope you liked the chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.